What's up, my Reba lovers? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I am giving you guys a tutorial video on how to apply your strip lashes to your lash line properly. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. I'm just showing you guys how I apply the strips to my lash line. For the pros, y'all just sit in the back. I already know y'all know what y'all doing. So y'all just sit in the back and just watch. Don't say nothing, just watch. This video is for the beginners. The beginners come to the front, watch this whole video to the end. All right. So for my new viewers, thank you guys for tuning in and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any videos that I upload. And for my loyal subscribers, y'all already know what it is. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys and I love you guys. Thank you for the support. But yes, let's get into the video. So the items that you're going to need to apply your lashes will be, of course, you need the lashes, okay? These are the number 3s, so wispies. I usually use the number 7, but they didn't have them, so I grabbed these, okay? And then you're also going to need another very, very important item is the Strip Lash Adhesive by Envy. This here, you also get this at your local beauty supply store, right here. And then some people use tweezers, but I don't use tweezers. I use my nails since I have longer nails. I use my nails to apply my lashes, but some people use tweezers. They think that it's, they feel that it's more comfortable for them to use the tweezers. So if you feel like that, get you some tweezers. And then you're also going to need scissors. Now, the only reason you would need scissors is if your lash band is longer than your lash line, okay? But yes, let's get started. So I have already taken my lash off of the plastic. Now, when you're removing your lash from the plastic, you have to be very, very careful because you can't rip your lash, okay? So what I do is I pull it from the inside and gently remove, all right? So be careful. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if this lash band fits my lash line and see if I need to cut it. Now, it is a little long for me, or I guess it's okay. But I'm just going to cut just a little bit, just a little bit. So I'm just going to cut like right there. That's it, just a little bit. And this is how the lash look. I am more of like a simple, natural looking girl, like with my lashes. I don't like that full look. I like myself to look natural, okay? So now I'm going to apply the adhesive. So what I do is I just apply a little bit. Let me take this off here because I have used it. I'm just going to apply a little bit along the lash band, not too much because you don't want it to be messy, okay? So I'm just going to take it here like so. First I'm going to push it out because it does come out too much. All right, then I'll just dab it, boom, or just drag it because I don't want it to be too much. All right, and then just go. Now you can put on however much you think you need or however less, it doesn't matter. All right, so now that it's on, the glue is on, so I'm just going to blow it a little bit just so it can set, dry. Okay, so now I'm going to take my nails and grip each side of the lash. First, I'm going to grip the outer side. And then I'm just going to place that. I'm going to place the inside first. So now I'm going to grab the inside. And then you just be gentle, okay? And then I'll go back in. Make sure you hold it so that won't move. And then just lay it. Now, my eyes tearing up a little bit. But then after I place it, I just push them in. Push them into place. That way I know it's secure. And I just fan just to get rid of the tears. But yeah, just pinch them together so they can connect with your natural lashes. Like that, like so. That's it. And then, you know, then they're on. And then what else would I would do if I wanted to like be a little bit thicker? I will where's my mascara? 1 second. I would grab my mascara and apply some mascara just to bring it out a little bit more. Just a little bit. Not too much. Like that. And then make sure you just push this down a little bit. Make sure it's all the way secure. And then I will also do like my liquid eyeliner across the top. Nothing too much, but and if you see any like glue, you just rub it off. It comes off easy. Just like that. And then I'll just take my liquid eyeliner. I don't know. It's kind of hard doing it in the camera, but I'll just trace my lash line on top of the band. Look like that. And it's done. Wait. A little bit more. And just wipe up under because it might be a little excess. But yeah, like that. So I'm going to apply the other one. And you can always get your lashes thicker, but today I'm just going for a natural look. I like it. So we're going to do the same thing on the right side. All right. So, like I said, I don't even wipe my hands off. So much going on. Okay. Like I said, you pull it off the plastic gently. And then you just place your adhesive along the lash band. Not too much and not too little either, but just enough. Like that. Blow it so it can dry. Okay, now, first I'm going to start from the inside, and then once I have it set, I'm going to grab it. Hold on. Okay. Oh, I got to sneeze. You ready? No, I'll just grab it. Like that. Just push it in. It looks like that might need some more glue. Now press it down. You gotta be careful because if it didn't dry all the way, it will be a little messy. Oh, you just wipe that away. And you want to make sure you, because it will stick. Okay. But yeah, like that. That's it. It's very simple. It's simple, just like that. That's how you apply. That's how you apply your strip. Properly to your lash line. But that's it. And then if you wanted to do the little liquid liner, you know, just to go across your band or, you know, lash line, you can also do that. And then the mascara. Now, the mascara, I like it with or without. It doesn't matter. But since I did this one, I'm going to do this one. But let me place some more eyeliner. And then we got to do the same for this one like we did over here. It's only right. But the only thing with these are that they're a little thin. They're a little thin. Like I usually get the 07 wispies. They're a little thicker than these, but yeah. And then I just stretch my lash, my eye. And then I just, you wanna make sure, and I just drag it. Now, I'm not a professional when it comes to makeup, but this is how I apply mine. But if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Like this video, share this video, and yeah, comment down below if you want to see more tutorials, and I will definitely get them to you. But thank you guys for tuning in, and this is it.